welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over angles formed by parallel lines. I'm going to go over one example here. So we are given that the two lines are parallel and our goal is to solve for x. So in this case, I want to look at what's the angle relationship between those two angles and are they going to be congruent or supplementary. So the two angles that they've given us are actually corresponding angles. They're in that same position if you look at your intersection. And corresponding angles are always congruent if our lines are parallel. So since they're congruent, I can set the two angles equal. So I'm going to set 61 equal to x plus 67, and then I can do the solving for x that it asked for. So I'm going to subtract 67 on both sides using those inverse operations. And this one's a short one, so we got -6 equals x, and that's what it asked for. So remember, with parallel lines, look at the angle relationship, and what does that tell you about those angles, whether they're congruent or supplementary.
And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.